Today, I am going to show you how to create a video in 3 simple steps using 3 apps: ChatGPT, V.io, and Canva. Go to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT for a video idea if you don't have one, or you can use your own video idea. I am going to ask ChatGPT to write a speech on a trending topic for a motivational YouTube channel. After the speech has been generated, copy it, then head over to V.io. In the V.io app, select New Project, Audio, Text-to-Speech. Paste the text copied from chat in the text-to-speech dialog box. Double-check to make sure that there are no errors. Click Add to Project. Click Done, then Export Video. Download the video as MP3. On the Canva home page, select Create Video. Upload the audio file that was downloaded from V.io. Select Video, then type in Motivation to get some motivation videos. Attach the video to the background. You can also adjust the length of the video as needed. Keep adding videos until you get to the end of the audio. Check out the video to ensure that everything is okay.
Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that is at the forefront of our minds: resilience. In these times of uncertainty, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenges we face. But I believe that resilience is the key to overcoming these challenges.
Download the video and proceed to upload to YouTube. And that, my friend, is how you create an automated YouTube video. Thanks for watching.